In lesson number 4 of 5-Minute Theory, we're going to learn about the musical alphabet, the letters that we use to name notes. Then we're also going to learn how to find those notes on the bass clef staff. This lesson is in bass clef. Separate lesson that's in treble clef. It kind of does the same thing, but the notes are named differently from bass to treble. So let's start off at the top of lesson 4 by writing your note name in. Okay, hopefully you have your own book. If you don't, you can print off a PDF that I have free downloads for the first 5 lessons. After that, you got to buy a book. Sorry. All right, so the musical alphabet. Okay, musical alphabet uses the first 7 letters of the English alphabet, A through G. Now, it kind of works in a circle. So I'm thinking of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Once I get past G, I start over, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If I start on any one of those, I can continue. Let's say I start on B here. B, the next letter is C, D, E, F, G, A. Always from G starts over to A. So on number 1, all I'm doing is spelling the musical alphabet forwards in the alphabet. A, starting on A is very simple because I just go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's easy. Hopefully you got that. But I can start on any letter name. So C, D, E, F, G. Now once I get to G, there is no H, so I just start over A, B. Forwards is easy, okay, and we use that all the time to go up the scale when we go forwards in the alphabet, but when we want to go down the scale, we have to go backwards in the alphabet. And this is where this handy little graphic up here kind of helps, because if you're not used to counting backwards, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, if you're not used to counting backwards, you can kind of use this graph here to help you. So here, on number 3, A, G, what's backwards from G is F, E, D, C, B. All right? So practicing saying the letter names backwards is very useful to help you when you're learning how to read music, especially as we're going down the scale. So number 4, I'm starting on F. So here's my F, and I'm going backwards. F, E, D, C, B, A, keep going, G. So that shows you how to use the musical alphabet going up and musical alphabet going down. Now on the staff, we use that musical alphabet to name the notes. Now we talked about the lines of the staff, there being 5 lines. On the bass clef, kind of arbitrary, but our first note on the bass clef is a G. Now, if you notice, here's the musical alphabet. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now, when we're saying the lines, it's every other note. So G, B, D, F, A. So you can just kind of memorize that, G, B, D, F, A, or you can think about the saying that a lot of us use to remember that, good boys do fine always. Good boys do fine always. G, B, D, F, A. You might have a different sentence that you use to remember those letter names as you go up the lines of the staff, but I'll just use that good boys do fine always. On the second half of lesson number 4, line number 5 here is just writing in the note names in the blanks provided. So if we know that the bottom line is a G, we keep going up. The second line is a B, third line is a D, fourth line is an F. So I could say good boys do fine. Okay, as I go to number 6, good boys do fine always. Good boys do fine. Good boys do. Good boys. I can use that just to kind of be able to count up my lines really fast to be able to find the note names that those quarter notes have on the staff. Number 7. Okay, I'm going to do this really fast. Good boys do fine always. Good boys do fine. So this is another instance where I want you to think fast, all right? You shouldn't have to take forever to go, good boys do. It shouldn't take that long. So either learn GBDF A, GBDF, GBD, GB, or good boys do fine always, good boys do fine, good boys do. Okay, you can learn that and think fast as you're naming these notes. That's really, really important. Likewise, if you start on the note A, which is the first space here, okay, I'm using A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm using every other letter. So here I can say A, C, E, G. I can just memorize those letters, or I can say all cows eat grass. All cars eat gas. Whatever sentence you need to remember the names of the letters of the spaces in the bass clef staff. Number 8, all cows eat grass. They eat grass, not gas, okay? All cows have gas, I guess. Number 9, so use those letter names or the sentence to do this really fast. All cows eat grass. All cows eat. All cows, all. And number 10, all cows eat. All cows eat grass. All right, I actually said it correctly that time. All right, so this lesson on the 5-minute theory actually is closer to 5 minutes than it is 5 minutes per page. But it's only because I'm trying to do things quickly. Now, you'll hear me say this over and over, and I'm not your teacher, but you're watching me, so I'm going to tell you that the faster that you can think, the faster that you can name notes on the staff, even if it's just this easy, the faster that you're going to be able to read music. And once you're able to read music, and what we call sight reading, then it gets to be fun because you can play a million songs just by seeing those dots and those notes on the page. Okay, if you're finished with this lesson, I'll join you in lesson number 5.